I haven't done this in a long time. I'm literally waiting by the door for this pair of shoes to show up. These could be either one of the best Nike releases of the year. They could very much be like a top 5 shoe of the year for me, or one of the ugliest shoes ever. That's why I'm so interested in seeing these immediately. I am intrigued by these. Like, this is a very interesting colorway on a popular Nike model. It's not a collab, so I'm hanging by the door. When's the last time you did this, anticipating a shoe? A lot of sneaker YouTubers are selling their collections because maybe they just don't have the passion for it anymore. Me, I'm interested in seeing the newest stuff as soon as I can, and I get to keep the dog company. All right, they are here. Let's check them out. Looks like I got something in from Adidas too. We'll wait on these. This is what I need. All right, here they are, and a little hint, they're comfortable, and you may have already seen these. There is some cool inspiration behind this shoe as well that I'm gonna talk about, but let's dive in. Blacked out Nike box, and that's actually a good sign because most of the regular pairs come in an orange Nike box like this. Moment of truth. How do these look in person? How do they look in hand compared to online? Because there's always a difference, right? And this, yeah, they look different. They look totally different in person than they do online. So I stand corrected. They don't look awful, but they also don't look as good as I was expecting. I grabbed these off of StockX just because I didn't want to jump through any hoops should these be a hot release or something popular, and looks like they probably came from overseas. This is a Nike Korea tag on them, but here's the shoe. So we have the Nike Vomero Plus Cheat Day. Now this shoe allegedly is inspired by Cheetos, and something you would eat on a cheat day if you're training, if you're working out, or if that's just how you live your life. Me, you hear me say all the time, I'm 185 during the week, 190 on weekends, and that's just kind of me joking around a little bit. I do eat more on the weekends than I do during the week. I try to eat pretty healthy, and in fact, I haven't had Cheetos in probably a decade, at least 10 years. I can't remember the last time I had Cheetos. It's just not part of my diet. But when I was a kid, I was running to the store and I was leaving with a bag of Cheetos and a Surge. So the insole on these is actually hilarious, and I wasn't sure if this is what it was, but it is for sure Cheetos on the insole. That's crazy. Like, that is crazy. That's hilarious. Those are corn puffs, I'm sure Nike would claim, and this is not an official collab. Nike makes zero references to Cheetos or corn puffs or even a cheat day online, but clearly they were inspired by that snack. All right, I laced these up, sat with them for a second, and thought about, do I like these or not? And this is something I never do. I'm never on the fence. It's usually a, those are for me or those are not. I've been doing this a long time. I'm really good at identifying a shoe that I know I'm gonna wear, I know I'm gonna like, but there are definitely some things on this shoe I don't like. For one, the quality control isn't that great. So as you can see, there is a little bit of a glue stain here on the upper along these waves, which I'm gonna talk about in a second. So that kind of bothers me a little bit, and you might not even be able to see it on camera. That won't bother you guys. And certainly when I'm wearing these, it won't be as big of a deal either because they're gonna be on the ground, no one's gonna notice. But you know, we notice the quality control things. Now, the color. So this is a lot more muted, a lot more dull than I was expecting. But because of that, these are a lot more wearable. I don't know. When you see them on feet, you can tell me what you guys think about them. Now, there's certainly a few design elements that I like about these that I wish we saw on more Vomero Plus. So typically you see a Nike swoosh laterally and Zoom X on the midsole there. Same thing on the medial side. The Cheat Day Vomero Plus has none of that. It only has a small Nike swoosh on the midsole where it would typically say Zoom X. So the minimal branding I do like. Then the laces. These are a lot better than the normal laces that the Vomero Plus comes with. And then there's also a coating here on the midsole that you can probably hear. It feels rough to the touch. The normal Vomero Plus doesn't have this applied texture. I don't know exactly what it is. Maybe it's for water resistance or something like that, but it doesn't feel smooth. Now, one thing I do want to talk about real quick is these Air Max 95s, and I don't think many people know this, or you might, but we haven't talked about it here, so I'm going to mention it real quick. These lines on the Vomero Plus are directly inspired by the Air Max 95. And you can see those wavy lines a lot better without that Nike swoosh. So I went into this thinking that these were either going to be incredible or awful, and they're just directly in the middle. I didn't think that was going to be possible. They're okay. I'm going to wear them. I'm going to keep them. I could certainly resell these for a good amount, I think, because a lot of times when there's these themes like Cheetos and food and stuff like that, the shoe tends to resell for a lot. I don't know why. So do me a favor, before you get out of here, hit the comment section. Let me know what you guys think about the Vomero Plus in general, because a year ago, this week, this model originally debuted. It's been a year since this shoe has been out, and it certainly wasn't as well received early on as it is now. The Vomero Plus has grown on people. A lot of people have tried it out, and they think it's one of the most comfortable sneakers that Nike has on the market. It's a running shoe, but people wear it casually. You know the deal. This Zoom X cushioning, top notch, very nice, and it's a healthy stack of it in this shoe. So let me know if you guys have tried out this model and what you think of the Cheat Day version here. Are you going to be picking these up? They release tomorrow. Do not let me deter you from grabbing these if you like them or if you were excited about them. It's just my honest thoughts here. So that is a wrap for me, though. I will catch you on the next one. Peace.